Hello, my name is Susana Serrat and I am the Education Manager for Iberia at Montibello Hair. I'm here today to present the new ECLAT hair color. ECLAT is an acidic pH hair color that transforms your color service into a hair treatment. This key innovation by Montibello is a demi-permanent nurturing hair color with an acidic pH that is formulated with proteins and vitamin C to provide hair with color, vitality and shine. Let's find out more about ECLAT and its benefits. ECLAT is the ultimate blend of color and treatment. What does ECLAT offer in terms of color? ECLAT is an acidic pH hair color that does not lighten or change the hair natural melanin. It revitalizes any type of hair, natural, colored or lightened. It offers you commitment-free color as there is not root effect. What does ECLAT offer in terms of treatment? It replenishes the hair fiber and repairs accumulated damage. It provides vitality and intensive hydration to restore beautiful hair. It conditions and seals the cuticle. It provides incredible shine. ECLAT is a significant innovation. It has an acidic pH of 6.9 and maximum respect for the hair fiber and its structure. It has been developed to reduce the risk of breakage. Its formula contains tech bonder technology and plant proteins that fix the hair color and a protein filler in the hair fiber to restore its elasticity and strength. Vitamin C is a key ingredient and has an anti-aging effect on the hair, while providing sublime shine. In addition to their innovative composition, the ECLAT formulas also have an acidic pH and provide demi-permanent color. What do we really mean when we talk about demi-permanent hair color? Demi-permanent hair color not only deposits pigment on the hair's exterior, but also gently injects them into the interior without changing the natural structure. It also increases the durability of the color and shine. On the other hand, semi-permanent hair color deposits pigment on the exterior of the hair fiber, which leads to fading after very few washes. In the case of permanent hair color, pigments penetrate in the interior of the fiber, altering the hair's melanin and structure to achieve greater coverage and durability. ECLAT is a vegan hair color range developed in line with the commitment to caring for the planet. Formulated with 19% natural origin ingredients and 99% biodegradable ingredients. Designed with sustainable packaging that contains up to 100% recycled plastic, ammonia, MEA-free. Here is some information on the rest of the range. ECLAT offers 30 shades which come in a 60 ml format. The transparent clear shade comes in 215 ml format and can be used by itself to create incredible shine or be mixed with any other shade to dilute the intensity of the color. There is also a 900 ml processing gel, which is a developer that has been designed for use with the ECLAT shades in a ratio of 1:2. Although ECLAT color has a liquid consistency, it takes on a gel texture when mixed with its exclusive developer. This makes it easier and quicker to apply, allowing greater precision and safety in new 20-minute express salon service. This versatile texture is perfect for use not only with mixing bowls and color brushes, but also with the new blender bottle. It also comes with sectioning sticks, which are perfect for preparing hair before ECLAT service. ECLAT is the ideal base for introducing 4 new express service in your salon. ECLAT Color Service revitalize your client's natural color. ECLAT Toning Service balances the tone's color after lightening hair. Éclat Reface Service revives and refreshes the shades between color service or after a texture or shaping treatment. Éclat Gloss Service enhance, shine and illuminate all hair types. Éclat can also be used to create dual application in permanent color service. Apply permanent color to the roots and éclat on the length and the ends. This will boost color and shine while improving the hair overall conditions in a single step. Éclat answers a need by adapting to suit every client's hair. It is ideal for use on natural, colored, lightener or chemically treated hair. This is Éclat, an explosion of vitality in your salon.